Hi, morning. I'm CP Chong, the founder of CNA and KTC Education Group. Today, we are going to produce a YouTube to make half an hour free seminar on fundamentals of accounting system. So the objective of this free seminar is basically to educate the SME bosses, managers, account executive, accountants, as well as MNC multinational companies bosses, together with the parent and student. So to clarify a lot of serious misunderstanding about accounting. So most of the students, accountants, bosses, they think that accounting, the main objective of accounting is basically for the compliance purpose, for the tax department, IRD compliance purpose, for the compliance purpose of ROC SSN, which is totally incorrect. So in the modern world, accounting is a very important knowledge and very important system to ensure the success of a company. Okay, so that means now to learn the accounting knowledge and to set up a very good accounting system can ensure a company's success. Okay, to ensure the company can grow and also to be able to continue in long term. So now today I want to basically to explain why accounting is so important, right? So to everybody, so that now the student and parent, you must make sure that your kids will be able to learn this knowledge and acquire this qualification as soon as possible. And the bosses, whether it's SME or MNC, you must understand the importance of accounting and to ensure that you have a team of very efficient and effective account executive and accountant to help your company to design a proper accounting system and to maintain, implement a proper recording system, right? Be able to churn out the accurate financial statement in time, so that to help the management to be able to do proper planning, to be able to do the proper controlling and decision making to ensure the success and the growth of your company. Okay, so that means within half an hour, I want to let every one of you know the importance of accounting to any organization, whether it's the private or government. Next. Now, before we talk about accounting, the importance of accounting, we need to know what is accounting. So, accounting, in fact, is the method of or the system of recording, classifying, summarizing business transaction, right? So, and interpreting of results. That means through the financial statement. Okay. Now, another definition is that now accounting is a system of to record business transaction in a systematic manner in order to provide meaningful financial information to intended user for planning, controlling, and decision-making process. Okay, that means in short, accounting is the method of converting financial data like sales, purchases, expenses, income, right, assets, liability, right. So into that means into financial information. Financial information is mean the financial statement, inclusive the comprehensive income statement, the statement of financial position, and cash flow statement. Next. Now, so in order to help the business or any entity, right, be able to do the proper recording, right, and proper so-called summarizing, right, all this data, right, into financial information as a financial statement, right, so that the bosses, right, the manager, the accountants can use this so-called financial statement, right, like comprehensive income statement, the statement of financial position and cash flow statement to do the proper accounting interpretation and analysis. Okay, so that through this so-called interpretation and analysis, they can start doing the planning, controlling, and decision making. Okay, for example, now through this so-called comprehensive financial statement, right, so-called trading and profit and loss account or manufacturing account, right, trading and profit and loss account, right, they can use a so-called comparison figure of the income and these expenses over a period, whether over different months or different year, to find out the changes. From all these changes of the income figure and expenses figure, they can know, right, and be able to detect whether there is any so-called increment or this reduction, right? So and then can find also the reason why. So that means now all these SME bosses, okay, you all need to know that you cannot let your this statement to be prepared once a year. You must at least prepare your financial statement monthly. Okay, that means now at all time you need to instruct your account department and admin department be able to churn up your financial statement at least on monthly basis. And also at the same time you need to request your this account and this so-called admin department, after they churn out this financial statement at the end of the month, they need to do this reporting to the manager, to the directors, right, about this financial statements result. Okay, by going through this accounting ratio, right. From this accounting ratio, then this director, manager, and the accountants, right, are able to analyze, right, about our profitability for the month or for the year, right, or the liquidity for the month or for the year, or the stability for the over few years, right. So from all this so-called analysis, right, we are able to find out first thing first, the result of the utilization of the resources. As far as the accounting system is concerned, right, so this system is to help the management to be able to record and manage your resources of the company effectively. Okay, so that means now, as far as this accounting system is concerned, we talk about data processing cycle. Through this so-called accounting system, okay, or so-called data processing cycle, we are able to convert the financial data into financial information. You see here, the financial data can be all the raw facts and figures in terms of sales, purchases, expenses, income, assets and liability. So now financial information means like your net profit, your gross profit, net profit, your fixed asset, current assets, your liability in long term, in short term, and your equity plus your result, whether profit or loss. Right? Now, so that means here, as far as this so-called data processing cycle is concerned, right? So it's a system for you to control the for you to collect the data, right? All the facts and figure, and then now when you design the system, right, you need to know what are the data you have, right? By understanding your business, right? So from this data that you have in the company, then you need to design a suitable form. For example, whether you got cash sale or credit sale, right? You got cash purchases, credit purchases. You got credit sale, you may need to have a delivery order, right? So that means in order to protect your company. Okay, next, beside recording and to analyze your financial statement. Another function, a very important function accounting to the businessman, to the bosses, is about the protection of your asset. Now, accounting system can be used as a very effective so-called tool to protect your asset. Okay, in the accounting system, normally control of cash, right? So all the SME bosses or even multinational company bosses, we need to minimize our cash payment in order to minimize the misappropriation of fund or abuse of the cash, right, in the company. So normally in the accounting system, we have a reimbursement petty cash system. Normally we limit this one sum, whether 500 or 5,000, right, a minimum sum for the SME or MNC for the cash payment, right. So even the cash payment of 500 and 5,000 monthly, right, based on reimbursement system, we need to have proper payment voucher, right, so that to indicate the one who prepared, the one who authorized, and the one received together with supporting document, so that we can ensure how genuine is this cash payment, right, petty cash payment. And then the rest of the so-called transaction, we can use a check payment. Check payment normally, again, we need to have payment voucher to control, right, this so-called internal control system. Within the payment voucher, this document, you also will have someone to prepare, someone to authorize, someone to also receive. So from all this internal control system, then together with the supporting document and all the person who sign and acknowledge in the process printing, somehow you are able to have proper internal control to ensure that your transaction is genuine. Right? There is no misappropriation of fund, there is no fictitious expenses to be created in the process. Okay, so that is very important. That means now, I hope all the SME bosses and the MNC bosses know that accounting system is not just to provide you with this so-called financial statement for complying the legal requirement of IRD and ROC, but the more important thing is that you are using your accounting system, right, to control your assets and liability, and to be able to use your this financial statement to do the analysis, right, about your usage of your resources, how good you are using the resources. If you are not able to use the resources properly, right, and then through this accounting ratio and analysis, you are able to detect, right, the reason, right, and take the immediate action to rectify your defects. Then you are able to so-called operate your company very effective and efficiently, so that you can ensure the success of your company. Next. So here, after you understand the importance of the so-called accounting system, right? So that means now this system can ensure, right, the company success and growth in long term. So next is about this so-called the function of accounting. The function of accounting is equal to so-called the importance of accounting, as I explained. Basically, not only for recording the business transaction, right, for you to so-called provide the evidence, right, to this IRD, the evidence to the ROC, right, is that for the legal compliance purpose, right, but also for the management, right, to so-called use it as an important tool for the analysis to detect the current problem and to think the solution for the current problem, to address to all the problem as early as possible so that you can rectify all the error and make the company to be able to operate very successfully. Okay. Now, protecting of the asset, as I told you, you can use the system to protect your cash, protect your so-called stock in terms of raw material, finished goods, and this work in progress, right? So to ensure that there is no leakage, you see, so that means now a lot of bosses, they may think that 1 million of cash is very important, but 10 million or 100 million of the stock, they may overlook. That's why here, now, in the accounting system, when you design the accounting system, most of the company, right, I think up to 90 to 95% of the transaction are sales transaction and purchases transaction, right? So that means now, normally during the design of this so-called accounting system, if you are able to design the proper control, proper record for your sales and the purchases transaction, you already control about 95% of your business transaction. The balance of the others miscellaneous transaction like income, operating expenses, all these and assets and liability, right, that you can use a different procedure. That means the most important control, right, are sales procedure and purchases procedure. Next is about your stock procedure. Stock, as I said, can be a very substantial so-called asset which you need to protect through the stock procedure. Then manpower, payroll, salary is also one of the very important procedure where you can control your worker, right? Payment, all this. So make sure that there is no dummy worker, there is no so-called incorrect, fictitious expenses to create in the payroll, right? And then make sure that your stock is not stolen, right? And the stock is not outdated. You see that through the proper store ledger procedure, you are able to first to record your stock transaction accurately. Your stock balance can be shown accurately. At the same time, you can also detect all the obsolete stock, right? And at the same time, you can also go through your stock ledger control system to protect your stock. Make sure that the stock is not stolen, right? You see that through the internal control system of your bin card, right? Of your so-called goods receipt note, so-called delivery notes plus the bin card for the balance, ensure that that means you have a good system of control, and then you can detect, you can know what are the stock balance, right, at the earliest possible time, right? So that means now in the modern world we have this so-called ERP system, right? So under ERP system or e-business system, now you can basically to find out all your financial position every minute if you want to, right? So that's why here now to operate this so-called proper e-business system or ERP, Enterprise Resource Planning System, right? As part and parcel of the accounting system control, you need to have very good accountant, very good account executive. Okay, so that means now KTC, in fact, we are providing so-called one-stop accounting professional services. Start from the 6 days so-called bookkeeping courses, 6 days so-called income tax courses to train your staff from a person who do not know accounting until he know accounting and be able to keep the full set account in 6 days time. Okay, that is a very basic training. Besides this very quick and basic training of this accounting within the 6 days, we have also 1 year program on part time, right? For this LCCI, the higher diploma in accounting, and CAT higher diploma in accounting. Then for these courses is a UK professional courses which can help your accounting staff to update their knowledge and so-called the skill, right? Not only in accounting but also in costing management accounting, in this business calculation, and also business statistics, economics, and also business concept, so that you are able to widen your account executive and account so-called staff to a technician level, where they can help you to be able to have a better utilization of your company resources in order to improve the productivity and quality of the product. Right? So that means now, all the SME bosses, you need to understand the good team of the account department. We start from the account assistant, account executive to the accountant. The quality of your account personnel are very crucial for your growth and success of the company. So that means now, you must ensure that you have a very efficient team of this account department. So to ensure that they are able to set the proper accounting system to record your business transaction correctly and timely, and be able to simplify them and to present them in the proper financial statement in terms of the comprehensive income statement, in terms of the statement of financial position and cash flow statement. And they are able to also help you to analyze into the various accounting ratio and be able to interpret all this profitability, liquidity, and stability of the company. Because of the 30 minutes within half an hour's time limit, I'm not able to elaborate the detail. But all the SME bosses and these MNC bosses, parent and student, you need to know the importance of accounting knowledge, the importance of accounting system, which decide the success and the growth of the company. So that means now, if you are not able to so-called learn the basic accounting, then you are not able to manage the business at all. Okay. Now, so beside the misunderstanding on the business area about accounting, because most of the bosses in SME and MNC will think that accounting is basically to use it for compliance purpose to IRP and SME. Then the parent will always think that accounting is basically to become to study accountancy course, become accountant basically for keeping books of account, which is totally inaccurate. So in the account department, so keeping of the books of account, basically is a responsibility of the account assistant, account executive, or account manager. So as an accountant inside the company, as a financial controller, as a chief financial executive, or financial director, basically they are more towards the operation of the e-business system, the implementation of this e-business system, that means ERP, to ensure they are able to get a team of the very efficient account staff, be able to churn out the financial information in a very timely manner. If once they got the so-called good ERP system, they can check their financial position every minute, any second they want. Okay, then they are able to know what is happening in the company. Then they are able to detect the problem as soon as possible. No need to wait until month end, no need to wait until year end. That's why I say here, a good accounting system, under ERP is you are able to check anything that you want instantly. That is a modern world requirement. So that's why here, when the competition is getting stiffer and stiffer and tougher and tougher, so all the managers and bosses need to be very alert. Every second, every minute, what is happening in your company, How good or how bad is your utilization of your resources of your this company, because a good so-called accounting system, through the implementation of the good ERP system, you are able to have a perfect control and good control to ensure that you have a best use, effective use all your resources of the company to achieve the so-called success. Okay, so that's why now, as far as the student and parent are concerned, right? So now a lot of students and parents have a serious misunderstanding, think that accounting can only learn if you have very good mathematics. Some of the parents and the teacher even ask me, or whether my student or my kids need to have maths, very good result before they can learn accounting, which is totally wrong. I think now this requirement now, even for the ACCA, UK Chartered, CAT, LCCI, normally what we need is just to have a credit pass in the general maths. We don't need to have so-called additional maths, pure maths. You see? So next thing is that, you do not so-called think that, learning accounting, you must wait until Form 4, Form 5, because a lot of school, like Form 3, they really divide into science stream and art stream, or in independent school, maybe junior 3 onward, senior 1 already divided into science stream, art stream. That's why here, all the student parent, you must ensure that your kids or the students themselves will be able to learn accounting as soon as possible. So you can go to our this so-called Cambridge O-level tuition class that we provide from Saturday and Sunday. You need to just spend about 2 hours per week for 1 year. You are able to so-called learn your accounting up to O-level standard under the Cambridge syllabus. Okay, then you need to have another year, right, to spend 2 hours per week to so-called upgrade yourself to Cambridge A-level standard. So that's why here, in fact, you do not need to so-called wait until that you reach Form 4, Form 5, or Senior 1 to Senior 3. That means you are able to learn, because it's a very simple, accounting is a very simple mathematics, it's a logical thinking, and it's a very simple maths. That's why I say here, everyone want to learn accounting, you can start from Form 1 or Junior 1 up to, of course, Junior 3 or Form 3. You don't need to wait for the time that you go up to Form 4 or Senior 1. After, if let's say you go to science stream, maybe you will not learn accounting also, even up to Form 5 or Form 6 or up to Senior 3. Okay? So that's why here, once after the parent and the student know about important accounting, as a knowledge and qualification on the personal basis, as this so-called knowledge and qualification required by your this account department, right? You need to ensure that all your account personnel are able to equip with the so-called good accounting knowledge and good accounting able to compete in the market in long term, so that you can ensure your success and growth of the company in long term. Thank you very much. So today I'm going to introduce our this manager in this our Desa Chonglang branch, who are in charge of this so-called KTC Accountant Institute, right? So our this manager in this so-called KTC Accountant Institute, in charge of Chonglang branch for corporate training purpose is Mr. Aaron. So today I use this opportunity to introduce Mr. Aaron